Welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. It's that time of the month again. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's see what's in the Hedgehog Hollow box. First of all, we have this cute tissue paper. My daughter will be really excited because we have 2 of each kind of candy. Tootsie Footies, strawberry and blue raspberry. Blue raspberry sounds good. We have a note. It's just about the stamp that was not spelt right in the last box, and that it won't be there. They wouldn't have had it till the 7th of June, which is already gone, but it takes a while for me to get my boxes, so I missed the boat on saying that I don't mind it being sent with my next box, so they're adding them by normal mail, sending them by normal mail. I would have been happy to wait, and I haven't been checking my emails if it was in there. So then I'm throwing things everywhere. I have our lovely tissue paper. Okay, so we have our letter. Welcome to our masculine theme box. We recently had a Facebook poll asking for things you felt were missing from your stash, and masculine was the highest request. So with Father's Day coming up, not for us, it's not until September for us, I tried to put a box together complete with lots of fun sentiments while including all the male relatives we could have, and I couldn't find anything, so I designed my own. I hope you enjoy all the items in this month's box. We are excited to have a HH only box. This won't be a regular feature, but sometimes it's fun to find something unusual. We've been at the National Stationery Show in New York and have lots of ideas for you. And then on the back, it's our list of what we have gotten. So first of all, we have hand-lettered dad die, and we have the denim pocket die set to cut our pocket stamps out, which are these ones. So we have our denim texture, and we have the denim pocket stitching to go over the denim texture, and then we have our die that we can cut it out. Of course, we can just leave it the size of the panel, or we can cut it out, or we can repeatedly stamp this panel like it's a pair of jeans and put the pocket in one section. I'm sure there are many ideas that people will come up with to use for this die set. And then we have a lot of sentiments: man, spouse, partner, fiance, husband, grandfather, father, all-star, happy Father's Day, daddy, cousin, brother, stepdad, you mean the world to me, nephew, uncle. You are the kind of father that I will look up to no matter how tall I get. Happy birthday, old sport. I hope I grow up to be like you. And then we have our Hedgehog Hollow diamond steel cut background stamp. So that'll make an awesome background. And we have another sentiment set. Things like, thanks for being like a dad to me. You're my favourite, Mr. Fix-It, man of the moment. You're my favourite, spelt the American way and the British English way, which is good for me because I'm in Australia and we spell things the British English way, not the American way. Man of the moment. The only difference between men and boys are the price of their toys. You're in a league of your own. Best guy ever. Have a perfect day. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy horsepower. It's your birthday, so it's happy beer day. You are a fine vintage. You are terrific. And then we have some double-sided pattern paper. I'm not sure what brand that is. I'm sure Alexandra will tell us in our tutorials. We have some wood grain paper. This one's just single-sided. We have some super thick craft card. We have some black, and we have our 5 sheets of Nina Solar White. Oh, one more thing. Where did I put it? And if you're a regular subscriber, you get the Tonic Arabian Nights release Copper Blush Embossing Powder. I really love Tonic's packaging. The only Tonic things I have that aren't Tim Holtz brand are the things that I have been getting in the box. So I am loving getting these in the box. So what I thought I'd do is just give us a quick look at this. I'm going to just press this piece of cardstock onto the Nouveau Clear Mark embossing pad. And then I'm just going to take some of this embossing powder. Oops, that's far more than I needed. Okay, so we have chocolatey brown colour at the moment. It says copper, and most metallics come alive when you heat them up. Okay, so let's give this a heat and see what we get. Let's see, it's already changing colour. Gotta watch what I'm doing. Gotta melt the wrong thing. So now you can see it's turned into a metallic. It's not your normal super bright copper, I don't think. Could be just my light, but it is a really, really nice colour. It's a little bit more subtle than the in-your-face copper that you see. So it is copper blush. So that would probably be answer that question, would be why it's not quite as in your face. And so we have our papers. We have 3 stamp sets. That is awesome. This box was super good value. We have our dies to match our pocket with a few extra word dies. I love word dies and I don't have a lot of because they can be quite expensive to get. Everything is quite expensive to get in Australia, to be honest. I know I keep saying this, but it really is. Just to get this die here on its own would probably run us about $15 Australian, which is maybe about, I don't know what it is right now, but it'll probably be around $12 or $13 American. So we have an awesome box this month. My daughter's going to be super excited that we both get to have a lolly each, and I can't wait to play with my new stamps and dies because I already have one really good idea and I'm sure I can find another one when I sit down to play. I haven't really been thinking about it. I've got so many videos to edit and get up for you all that it's a bit overwhelming, being that I've only been doing this for a couple of months. Editing I am finding to be the hardest thing. That is this month's box. What's your favourite item in the box? What do you want to use? I honestly can't wait to make things with this pocket. It just looks like so much fun. Thank you for watching and seeing what I got in my box this month. I will have videos coming in the future on what you can do with the stuff in your box. I'm thinking I will do one using just items from the box, and I think I might do another one that combines items from one of our other boxes because I like to incorporate things that we already have as well to show you that if you have all the boxes, what you can do. Sorry if I'm sounding a bit snuffly today. I think I'm getting a cold. Hopefully I can keep it at bay, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.